Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life and Easy. Today I'm going to be going over the new software update, the Tizen 4.0 update on the Samsung Gear Sport that just got released today. So as you can see on my smartphone, I got the S9 here connected up, One UI 1.5, Tizen 4.0 is the software version, and the Knox version as well. So this was a pretty hefty update, took a long time to install. And it changes a lot of visual features and a lot of the things in settings and the apps, just bringing everything up to date with the other Galaxy lineup of smartwatches, which is cool. Hopefully my camera can focus on this, but the first thing I just want to point out is that all the apps, the font is slightly increased, and a lot of the apps have updated and look a lot different, which is nice. A new refreshing look is always great. Samsung, can you please update this on your smartphones? I've been on the same version of One UI for almost a year now, and have not gone One UI 2.0, so please update that. So the overall watch face hasn't changed much. They also changed the animation to actually like go into further settings or to customize a certain app. Usually you would like hold it down, and it would pop up immediately, but now there's like this animation like this. It takes a little longer, and then you can swipe through all the watch faces. And I think they added more. I'm not too sure. I think they added more stock ones that you can add. But if we could just go back here. This is my watch face that I use, which I kind of like. Has the weather, the date, and time, stuff like that. Notifications. You can set up notification preferences now within the notification drawer. They have the settings button here, which is nice. You can change the settings on your phone, obviously, and not on your watch. If we just scroll down here, we have a bunch of new settings. I'll see how the battery holds up on this new update. Maybe I'll keep you updated on like if the battery life has improved or not, or if it's gotten worse or stuff like that. Hopefully it will improve. So now when you swipe down, you get to your control center. We have the battery saving mode, and also another unique change is usually the X and the check on the left and right. It used to like kind of like fill up the sides. It was more circular, or it was like a half. It was like a half circle almost. Now they kind of changed the shape of it, which I kind of like this shape a little better. It's easier to press, more button-like. We have airplane mode. We have the water resistance mode. We have do not disturb, and I think this is watch always on, which is cool. We have the brightness setting, which is cool to have here. Easy to adjust it. We just scroll over. Here are all the apps I have, step counter, music, and then the fitness app also changed. You can now add all the various exercises. I think they added even more in here, which is sick. Like, there's just so many you can check out there, which is cool. Overall, just like minor app changes, how it visually looks, which is, it makes the device feel fresh. If we go into the app drawer, the apps have actually changed as well. It's looking more like One UI on like other Samsung devices. I don't know if it's One UI 2.0. I think it's just 1.0 at this point. I'm not sure. But as you can see, the apps look very similar to a Samsung smartphone, which is cool. I mean, it should all look the same. And news briefing, anti-barometer, music. I also have to check out the Samsung Pay because I did want to link my PayPal to this, but Samsung Pay would not allow me to use PayPal on here. But I got it working on my phone, but I can't get it working on here, so I'll have to test that out. Phone, Galaxy Store, contacts, reminders, weather, calendar, and alarms. World clock, Find My Phone, and Bixby. They're trying to incorporate Bixby more into this device. I'm not really a Bixby person, but it's there if you want it. I know that you can activate it by, oh, not that. Actually, this animation is different as well. Power off. I think you can activate, allow Bixby to access account permissions. I'll select yes, why not? Yeah, if you double tap Bixby, it will come up and you can set it up. Oh, I have to update Bixby. I don't want to do that right now. But yeah, guys, that's the main interface, the changes. You can scroll through here. There's all these different things now. including Bluetooth, settings, night mode, vibrate or notification silencer. They have this new theater mode, which is cool. Your watch won't light up or vibrate. Like, it's basically like do not disturb on steroids. So if you're in the movie theater, it won't interfere. They have a flashlight, which is awesome. You can adjust the brightness on it. Yeah, a lot of cool, neat stuff. Wi-Fi, battery, change the battery settings, and then we have Find My iPhone, which is sick. So guys, that's gonna, and the water resistance. Oh, sorry, and the location on and off. So I'll have to test out more, and this is just an overview of the new software update on the Gear Sport. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy. And if you'd like to become a channel member, click the join button down below and become a member to get exclusive content on the channel. Peace out, guys.